strange discoveries, and the biggest unsolved secrets of our planet. If you enjoy mysteries like this, make sure to subscribe, because today we are diving into one of the most fascinating questions. Could real sea monsters exist in the deep ocean? How huge the ocean really is. When we look at a map of Earth, it feels like humanity has already explored almost everything. We have sent people to space, built powerful telescopes, and even explored distant planets. But there is one place on our own planet that remains mostly unexplored: the ocean. More than 70% of Earth's surface is covered by water, yet most of the deep ocean is still a mystery. Scientists estimate that humans have explored only a small part of it. This means huge areas underwater remain completely unknown. The deepest place in the ocean is called the Mariana Trench. It reaches a depth of nearly 11 kilometers. To understand how deep that is, imagine placing Mount Everest inside it. Even the tallest mountain on Earth would still be underwater. And somewhere in these extreme depths, incredible creatures may be hiding. Strange creatures already found. When scientists began sending deep-sea robots into the ocean, they discovered creatures that look almost alien. One of the strangest is the anglerfish. This fish has a glowing organ on its head that acts like a fishing lure. In the darkness of the deep sea, the light attracts smaller fish, which then become its prey. Another bizarre creature is the goblin shark. This shark looks extremely unusual, with a long snout and a jaw that can suddenly shoot forward to catch its prey. But even these creatures seem small compared to one of the most mysterious animals in the ocean. The giant of the deep. This creature is the giant squid. The giant squid can grow longer than 10 to 13 meters. It also has the largest eyes of any animal on Earth. For centuries, sailors told stories about enormous tentacles rising from the depths and attacking ships. For a long time, scientists believed these were just sea legends. But eventually, research proved that giant squids are real. And this discovery made people wonder, if such massive creatures live in the deep ocean, what else could be hiding there? The legend of Leviathan. But some stories about the ocean go far beyond real animals. For centuries, sailors and ancient texts have spoken about a terrifying creature known as Leviathan. This legendary sea monster is described in the Bible, where it is portrayed as an enormous creature living in the depths of the ocean. According to ancient descriptions, Leviathan was so massive that no human weapon could harm it. Some stories describe it as a giant sea serpent, while others say it looked like a dragon of the ocean. Sailors in ancient times believed that Leviathan could create massive waves, destroy ships, and disappear back into the darkness of the sea. Of course, most scientists believe that Leviathan is only a myth. But many legends in history were once considered myths until they were proven real. For example, the giant squid was believed to be just a sailor's legend for hundreds of years. Yet today we know that this mysterious creature actually exists. So the question remains, were ancient sailors simply telling stories, or did they see something in the deep ocean that we still haven't discovered? The most mysterious ocean sound. In 1997, scientists recorded one of the strangest sounds ever detected in the ocean. The sound was so powerful that it was picked up by sensors thousands of kilometers away. Scientists named it bloop. Some researchers suggested that such a powerful sound could have been produced by an enormous, unknown marine creature. Later, scientists proposed that the sound was likely caused by cracking icebergs. But even today, many people believe the true source of the sound might still be unknown. Could unknown monsters exist? Every year, scientists discover dozens of new marine species. Some of them are so strange that no one had ever imagined they could exist. And this raises an interesting question. If the ocean is still largely unexplored, it is possible that unknown creatures may still be living in the depths. Maybe they are enormous. Maybe they live several kilometers below the surface where humans have barely explored. And perhaps right now, somewhere in the darkness of the deep ocean, a creature is swimming that humanity has never seen before. Ending the ocean remains one of the greatest mysteries on our planet. And who knows, maybe the most incredible discoveries are still waiting to be found. What do you think? Do real sea monsters exist in the deep ocean? Write your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Riddle for more mysterious stories and unexplained secrets.